am Akanksha. Thank you very much for liking my last video about keyboard shortcuts. And here now I have bought a very underrated but very useful trick, Go to Special. The shortcut key for Go to Special is Ctrl G or function key F5. So basically, if you press function key F5 or Ctrl G, you will find this dialog box. There you can see Special. In Windows, there is a shortcut for going special is Alt S. Here in Mac, I am using the button here. In Windows, you will press Ctrl G and then Alt S. So when you go to special, you will see these options. So what these options do? Let's see. So I have a data here. You will see formatting has been done. It's color formatting, basically it's conditional formatting. Anything between 20 to 25,000 have been highlighted. You can see some comments are here like this. Also at last some calculations are being made. Okay, so this is hard coded data and here some calculations are being made and this is my data. So when you get a file like this, you really want to see what's happening in the file. By looking the color, you can't make out is the color hard coded or it's conditional formatting or where are the comments and many like these things. So let's see. So Control G, here I am. I will go through only the very common options which are used day to day life. So you see here is comments. When I select comments and select OK, so it have selected three cells, this. So for example, since it have selected, I will highlight them and now I can see only three cells have the comments. None of other cell have the comments. Okay, Control Z, I have removed the coloring part. Now again I'll go to Control G special. Now I want to check out which cells have formulas. Okay, so rather than going each and every cell, I'll go on cells. It have asked me the options that should I select the errors one also, should I select the text one also. I'm selecting all. You can do as per your liking. So now you can see it have selected the last three rows because only these rows have some formulas. Now again we will see some other option. Blank, if I select, then it will select some blank cells if it's in the data. Since I don't have any, I'm not selecting it. I have this option visible cell. How I can use it, we'll see. For example, if I hide some of the cell here, okay, now if I copy this much and go to another sheet and paste it, you will see the hidden cells are also pasted, right? So what I'll do, Control G special and visible cell. Since I have selected that data and selected visible cells here, now I will do Control C, go here and paste here. So you will see it has selected only the visible cells. Okay, also what I can do with go to special, you see I can select the objects also. So if anything it's written in object or in object has been inserted, for example here this is an object, you can see it have selected. If it has more than one object, it would have selected that also. Also if any conditional formatting has been done, it have given me option or same. So if different kind of formatting have been done, so you can select same, so it will select a particular kind of formatting, and if you want to select all kind of formatting, it will go for that. I'm talking about conditional formatting. Okay, so you can see it has selected the area on which the conditional formatting has been done. You can check from here, manage rule, and you can see it's B2 to F29. Okay, Control G, data validation. So in this case I don't have any data validation list, so even if you have, you can select it and it will show you the cells which have data validation list. So that's all for go to special, which shortcut key is Control G or F5, or and for going to special, after Control G you can press Alt S in Windows. So this is very useful option to find anything specific in the data. For example, if I want to find any error, see it has one error. Maybe the data is large. It can be data till here also, and there's a lot of data is there. So I can go to Control G, special and formula, and I will just uncheck this and keep the errors. Okay, and put OK. So see, this has been selected. So you can see how useful this option is. Hopefully you can use this option in your work and be more productive. Show your love, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Take care and thank you.